In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A17 and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down right away. Then tap on About Phone section available at the very bottom. In this section you can change device name on almost all Samsung smartphones. Hit Rename under its current one and type in whatever you want to, like Sunny. Then select Done in the pop-up and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, name of my Samsung has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!